Fayetteville Technical Community College is adapting to the ever-changing needs of hybrid and electric vehicles in the transportation sector. FTCC's Alternative Transport Tech program focuses on safely maintaining and repairing electric and hybrid vehicles. The class is an 8-week course that is taught 4 days a week and is part of the Automotive Systems Technology Associate Degree program.
We had to add this class into our curriculum because the industry is vastly changing very quick to electric and hybrid vehicles for multiple reasons due to fuel economy, as far as helping the environment, things of that nature. And so we need to make sure our students are ready for that change and also make them an addition to the industry because it's rapidly changing and they need to be prepared to work on it.
The beginning part of this course will focus on vehicle depowering, basically making the vehicle safe so the vehicle can be serviced or repaired.
It's a good program. They really teach you and they really break it down to whatever you need to learn. Here they will teach you. And I know I can go to a teacher or somebody around here, administrator, and they will help me out and they will teach me what I need to know and lead me the right way.
I like this program a lot better because there's a lot more hands-on. There's a lot more in-depth of understanding, and you actually get to practice what you're taught instead of just, oh yeah, here, read the book, answer questions, continue on.
The need in our industry for hybrid and electric vehicle technicians is actually vastly growing at a rapid pace because all manufacturers are now bringing on electric vehicles, hybrid as well, and there aren't that many people trained on it. The manufacturers do send their people to schools for them, and they are trained on those vehicles, but coming out of a program already fully trained to then be prepared to work at the dealership or at an independent shop safely on these vehicles, the need is vast and it's growing vastly every day.
Don't wait. Get plugged in. Start your next chapter at FTCC.